Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling a very popular string manipulation question. LeetCode customer 1047 removal exception duplication in string. We are giving a string of lowercase English letter. The goal is to repeatedly remove pair of letters that are equal and right next to each other until no exception duplicate remain. This cascading effect is really interesting because removing one pair can cause neighboring character to become new duplicates. This matches the behavior of stack data structure. To solve this, we can use a stack. However, instead of allotting a separate std stack structure and copying it back into a string later, we can use a C++ std string as our string directly. We can create an empty string and which will act as our stack. We loop through each character in input string s. If ans is not empty in the top of our stack, which is the last character of ans.back is equal to the current character. If we have a match, we remove it using ans.popback. If that don't match, we push the current character into the stack using ans.pushback. By the end of the loop, our stack will automatically hold our unique clean output. What will the time complexity? 0n, where n is the length of the string. We loop through the string once and string push pop operation take constant 0 1 time. Space complexity 0n. To hold the output string ans, the exceptionally space is 0 1 because we use the return value container as our stack directly. Now I will do the code. After that, I will explain how the code work. Now I will explain the code how it works. First, we initialize our result string, which will act as our stack. As is equal to. Next, we illustrate through the input string s character by character. For int I is equal to 0, s is less than s dot size I plus plus. Inside the loop, we check if answers empty should not be equal and answer back should be equal to si. Then we will answer pop back. Here, if the stack is not empty and the top of the stack matches the current character si, we pop it off. Otherwise, we put it as answer pushback. Once the loop is complete, we return answer. This is a solution for LeetCode customer 1047. Remove all exception duplicate in string. Thank you.